Hello, it's Mike from Vitreus Art. It's that time of year again when we introduce our Christmas workshops program. We're doing two videos this time. Jenny's going to introduce all of the glass fusing workshops that she's got planned, and I've got quite a few new stained glass copper foiling workshops that I want to share with you. Now, if you just want to dip your toes in the world of copper foiling, then we do a taster session which is half a day, and you can either make this sweet robin on a little wooden slice, or you can make a couple of mistletoe sprigs like that, or you can make a couple of little mini angels like that. Two angels, two mistletoes, or one robin. Oh, and we've also got a winter scene. I'm just going to try and reassemble this. I'm going to talk about that in a minute. Where's the winter scene? Here we are. So we do these little winter scenes as well. A little snowdrift, a tree, and a little star as well. So that's all on the taster workshop. That's 3.5 hours or so. We've been doing these funky foiled candle holders for a little while now. I love making these. This is about 12 centimeters or so. The diameter is about 10, so it's a nice size. You can put a candle in it. We've got these little fairy lights in those. Your choice of colors, of course. That's a one-day workshop. Also one-day workshop, really popular, is the angel or the gnome house, and you can make either one of these two projects in a day. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or not. We've always got some really cool fun Christmas glass, so you can make your creation with really interesting streaky opalescent glass. Also on that workshop you can make a 12 pointed 3D star. Don't have one to show you though. Next up, new for this year, this is the copper foiled winter scene, and that takes place on the wreath workshop that we do. So you can either make a mistletoe wreath, a winter scene, or a holly wreath like this one, or you can combine holly and mistletoe, which looks really nice. Several people did that last year. So that's the wreath. That's a one-day workshop, and the new thing on that wreath workshop is the winter scene. What else have we got? Oh yes, let's not forget this. So this is, there's one date this year, and this is my centerpiece. I'm calling it Snowy Village, and on this workshop you'll get to make a number of these sections. So it's a bit like an advent calendar in that you make little trees, make little snowdrifts, make a little mini house, maybe a church if you've got a little bit of time. I'll have some other pieces available that you can add to however many pieces you make, and it all comes on this log slice, and might be difficult to show you this. It's got this which has stopped working. It's got this little realistic street lamp. I've also added some stars and a moon. So there's lots going on this. This is a one-day workshop as well, and there's one date for this, and the bookings will close 2 weeks before this workshop, so that I've got time to order and wire up the little street light. You don't have to do that. So this is my Snowy Village scene. Love you to come along on that. So wreaths, winter scene, Snowy Village scene, taster workshop with several different projects, funky foiled candle holder, gnome or fairy house or hobbit house, whatever you want to call yours, or the angels, the 22 centimeter angels. All of those up for grabs this year. Love to have you come along, and the dates are all on the website right now, and we have been taking bookings, so don't leave it too long before you get your place. Bye for now.